So I got the smallest pair of scissors in the house to get in this big old pork butt. But you know, welcome to Cooking with April, where all things just doesn't make sense. All right. I thought about smoking it on this pan. I'm not too terribly sure if that's what I'm going to do or not, but I do want to score this. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Let's see. We can just do the diamond cuts, right? That way that season gets on down in there. Almost like a pork belly, but we're going to do it with a pork roast. And I think I will leave it on this pan. I want to go nice and deep. Do y'all mind doing the laundry for me? It's just rung its bell and said I'm done. My phone is just going off. Forgot to turn the ringer off. All right, look at that. So that is going to allow my seasoning to get all in there, in those cracks and crevices. Cedric, are you watching this? Anthony, are you watching this? Maybe I should say Ced. So it's funny because we have a friend named Cedric. And Chelsea was probably, oh, I don't know how old she was. She was young. I gotta get this lid off. She had just started school, maybe first grade at the most. And we have a friend named Cedric. And she said, she went up to him and she's like, Said, I know how to spell your name. He said, you do? How do you spell it? She said, S-A-I-D. Oh my, Chelsea was, I tell you, Chelsea was my gullible but smart child. Then Caitlin came along and she's extra smart. All my kids are smart though. All right, so I'm getting all that nice midnight rub down in there. Doesn't that look good? Y'all should smell it. It smells divine. Let's see. I don't know if I can flip it with one hand or not. Let's try it. Yeah, boy. You know, we got to season all sides. You can see those peppercorns in there. Get this side here. All right. I'm going to turn it back over. All right, I'm gonna go put her, whoops, I forgot that thing wasn't on there. We're gonna go put her on the smoker. See you guys in several hours. Okay, Cedric, this is what I used. Midnight smoke. Look at my pork roast. Oh my. Look at all those juices in there. I'm just going to let it sit here for a little bit. Doesn't that look amazing? Well, Gizmo Hush, I don't understand why my pork is not really tender. I mean, it's good as far as the flavor. But like, when Poolali cooked his, he's a friend from the beach, his bone just slid right out. I think I'm done with ribs and pork. I'm just going to leave that to the pros. I'm going to go back to hamburgers and hot dogs. I'm just not that good at it. Anyway, I hope this video puts some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.